Hello, this is Stefano. I'll be showing you how to remove a group head from an Elektra Microcasa Leva, how to replace the piston gaskets without having to remove the spring, the pins and the tensioning. 3mm Allen head, pull the assembly out and you have access to the assembly as is. What I normally do, this is not incredibly dirty, but you can see there is some scale deposit and some coffee deposit, is to soak it in Pulicaf Espresso detergent. What I normally do also to remove the shower screen, and again this is without removing the group head from the boiler, is to do so. The shower screen and the group head gasket will come off together. At this point in time you should inspect the cylinder and see if it needs any further cleaning, which we have another video that show how to completely remove that. Once the group head is piston assembly, the group head is clean, so let's jump the gun and assuming that it is already. What I normally do is to grab a sharp tool, like so, to first access the gaskets. Pay attention, of course, the way they're coming out. This is the W. You just remove it like so. And again, this group head should be clean. So we'll proceed doing so in a second. But in a nutshell, I want to show you this part first, so we can further clean better the piston assembly. This one can be cut off as well, since they are all gaskets that you need to replace them, or you can just stretch them out like so. Replace inside the detergent and let's wait few minutes to let it clean. Okay, after it's soaked in detergent and I further clean it a little better with a skinny brush and a wire brush, we are ready to reinstall the gaskets. I also soak them in hot water to make them more pliable and easy to stretch around. The first one I install is the W that goes at the bottom of the assembly, so the first groove facing down. You can just stretch them around like this, paying attention that the gasket will not flip and sits inside out, which it will be kind of like so inside. Once that's stretched in place, I do the same thing. I have a variation of soft tools, like this one, or my small screwdriver. Start to stretch them around everything. Of course, pay attention about not overstretching, but you have to work your way all the way down to the other groove. That's where a non-sharp tool comes handy, so you are not poking, pinching the other gasket. And the same thing, you need to make sure that the gasket will not sit inside out. This is inside out now. So then you take your tool, you push it back in the groove. The V gasket has to be positioned with the groove facing down again. Down when the group head is assembled like so. WV. This point in time, I take a little grease, food grade of course, go around the gaskets, reach the spring as well, put some inside the spring, and I start to position it in top of the group head. Try to stay in the way of my arm of the camera. I start to push it in like so until the first one goes in. Again, be gentle. I'm doing this with my left hand so you can see, but I'm right-handed, so there we go. The first one is in. Repeat the same with the upper, and as you are doing this, to insert the lip, you are gently pushing down. Make sure again that the gasket is not getting pinched. Push it down, push it down. Reposition the two screws. This is the old one, but the example is to position this here. Push it up again with a not sharp tool until it gets sit properly inside the groove, and that's how you replace the two piston gasket and the group gasket on a Microcasa a Leva Microcasa Leva Elektra, not semi. Thank you for watching.